Dean must I buy cool stuff. Out here with the wife Shirley. We're in the deer blind. She wants to kill a deer. It's October 4th, and it is 87 degrees in Gladwin, Michigan. So we'll come back if we get some deer to shoot at or whatnot. So we'll see you later. Well, we got a couple yearlings right in front of the blind. I'm trying to keep Shirley from shooting them. Yeah, wait till the big doe comes out. Let him go, Shirley. She's wound tighter than an 8-day clock. They're about 20 yards. No, you don't. You can't hit the heart from there. Wait till the mama comes out. And these deer come from our right. Kind of an odd place.
I thought I heard noise from your side.
Couple yearling fawns. They both look to be does. Mama will be out. Wait, Shirley, you got time. We got all the deer season. She's looking back at Mom. Mom's probably coming.
You're pretty.
wants to go and squeeze on him, but I won't let her.
Somebody picks up my apple out there and shoot him.
Them are a couple lucky fawns. They don't know how lucky they are. I'm surprised the one's bigger than the other.
The one has a light.
They were both does. Neither one was a button buck.
Where's Mom at?
I don't know. You got it in the fire.
I know.
Was that exciting, sweetheart?
No.
No, she's mad at me now. That close one, the bigger of the two, is. We're gonna name that one Lucky. Lucky Shirley didn't shoot it. We're gonna have pause and see if the doe shows up. Alright, so we just had a herd of. There's 3, 4. There's 5 of them. I don't know. I wanted Shirley to shoot this big doe, this big gray doe here, but I wanted to get closer, so we'll see if we can get a shot at it. You can see the size difference between that doe and the 2 fawns.
He's in the skull.
Yeah. You want her closer though. See if she gets closer.
The top, 2 tops are on her chest.
You'd have to use the middle pin or the bottom pin. I'm not sure which. Let's try and let her get a little closer.
She goes past that light bulb. I won't be able to get her.
Alright, well, we got lots of nights.
Where did the other 2 go? Now or never.
No, we got time. Don't get impatient. This is the first weekend of deer season. You got a lot more time. Look, another big one come out back there. Way in that back corner, see it?
Yeah.
Is that a buck?
I don't know. But there's no way I can shoot it.
Yeah, well, I just see it's a big bodied deer back there.
That's a doe.
Is it a doe? We got time to let it get close. If one starts getting closer that I don't see, let me know so I can get the camera on it.
It's the other 2 babies. What's that noise?
times that don't make no sense to me. This one over here is probably a year and a half old though. Just got one fawn. That big one right here, that one right there, that's pretty good size though.
Too bad you don't have an apple. There's one on my side window. One's coming this way. One right here outside the side window.
Oh, that one's mean. She chased that other one off.
Here comes another one.
We got 6 deer right here. About 75 yards is the farthest point.
Look at this one on the side window.
Them 3 over there that are in the camera, they're eating the apples from under the apple tree. We got one out the side window right here.
Stay still, they're looking at us.
We need them to come out front here a little better.
I got 2 at that side window.
I can't film that way. That's not a good shot. Don't shoot through that brush. Wait, we got lots of time, Shirley. They might walk right out here out front. All right, we're going to pause. Wow, was that exciting?
Yes.
Yeah, you mad at me for not letting you shoot one?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, William, tell. There's still one out here, but the big ones didn't get close enough. So, like, comment, subscribe. Shirley will be back out and we'll try and get one. I now have a partner. So, there's a link and I'll be putting a code up here. And the code is Dean Sova to get 10% off at this website for deer hunting blinds and whatnot. So, get the QR code coming up at the end, which is coming right up. And like I always say, like, comment, subscribe. God bless you and God bless America. Get 10% off with this stuff.